हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द माय चैनल। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम बात करेंगे टॉप 25 एमसीक्यूज के बारे में जो कि आईसी इंजन के है। ये इसका पार्ट नंबर 1 है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा ट्यूटोरियल। तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, द रेशियो ऑफ इंडिकेटेड थर्मल इफिशियंसी टू द करस्पॉन्डिंग एयर स्टैंडर्ड साइकिल इफिशियंसी इज कॉल्ड एज। तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज अ रिलेटिव इफिशियंसी। ओवरऑल इफिशियंसी क्या होता है? ऑप्शन नंबर डी के वाला ओवरऑल इफिशियंसी होता है पावर अवेलेबल एट द क्रैंकशाफ्ट, पावर अवेलेबल एट द क्रैंकशाफ्ट टू द heat supplied to the engine. This is known as the overall efficiency. Next question is, compression ratio of IC engine is. The correct option for this question is option number A. The ratio of volume of air in cylinder before compression stroke and after compression stroke. There are some other ratios such as pressure ratio. Pressure ratio क्या होता है? Pressure ratio is nothing but the ratio of pressure after compression to the pressure before compression. Look at the option number C. C is known as the pressure ratio. Now, next question. The air standard efficiency of an Otto cycle compared to the diesel cycle for the given compression ratio is. The correct option is option number C, that is the more. The efficiency of Otto cycle is more than the diesel cycle for the same compression ratio. As we know that efficiency of engine increases with increasing the compression ratio and decreases with decreasing compression ratio. This is the relation between the compression ratio and the thermal efficiency of a cycles. The next question is, the calorific value of gaseous fuel is expressed in terms of. The correct answer for this question is option number D, kilocalorie per meter cube. Here, if we use the word liquid fuels, then we can measure the calorific value of this fuel in terms of kilocalorie per kg. ये calorific value क्या होता है? Calorific value is nothing but the amount of heat liberated by a fuel per kg is known as the calorific value of fuel. Calorific value of petrol is less than the diesel. Keep in mind. Next question is, indicated power of 4-stroke engine is equal to. The correct option is option number C, PLAN divided by 2. अगर 2-stroke इंजन होता तो इंडिकेटेड पावर इज इक्वल टू PLAN, ये फार्मूला हम यूज करते हैं। ये 4-स्ट्रोक है इसलिए इसकी डिवाइड बाय में 2. Here P is nothing but the mean effective pressure, L is nothing but the length of stroke, A is nothing but the area of cylinder, N is nothing but the speed in RPM. Next question is, if the intake air temperature of IC engine increases, its efficiency will be decreases. The correct answer is option number B. Next question, all heat engine utilize. The correct options for this question is option number A, low heat value of oil. Question number 8. An engine indicator is used to determine the following. The correct option is option number D. Mean effective pressure and indicated horsepower. Next, the power available at crankshaft is known as. Option number A, that is brake power. Brake power is the power which is available at the crankshaft. Here indicated power means क्या होता है? The power developed inside the engine cylinder is known as the indicated power. Next, friction power क्या होता है? Friction power is equal to indicated power minus brake power. Indicated power minus brake power. Next question. The thermal efficiency of diesel cycle having fixed compression ratio with increase in cutoff ratio will be. The correct options is option number B. Here cutoff compression ratio is a fixed, but cutoff ratio is increases. There is a relation between the efficiency and the cutoff ratio, that is a efficiency is inversely proportional to the cutoff ratio. So as the efficiency, as the cutoff ratio is increases, efficiency will decreases. That is, there is a inversely proportional relation. Next, the air standard efficiency of an IC engine depends on. The option number C, that is a compression ratio. We know that the formula for efficiency is equal to 1 minus 1 upon r to the power gamma minus 1. Here r is nothing but the compression ratio. So air standard efficiency is depends upon the compression ratio. Next, the specific fuel consumption per brake power hour for a petrol engine is about. The correct option is option number B, 0.25 kg. ये specific fuel consumption क्या होता है? The amount of fuel required to develop the power is known as the specific fuel consumption. इसकी वैल्यू 0.25 kg होती है फॉर पेट्रोल इंजन एंड 0.2 kg होती है फॉर डीजल इंजन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The specific fuel consumption per brake power hour for a diesel engine is. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 0.2 kg. Next question. If the compression ratio in IC engine increases, then its thermal efficiency will be. Option number A, increases. As we know, the relation between efficiency and compression ratio is a direct relation. As compression ratio increases, efficiency also increases. The thermal efficiency of petrol and gas engine is about. Option number B, 30%. There is the thermal efficiency of petrol and gas engine is a 30%, and for diesel engine the thermal efficiency is 70 to 75%. The thermal efficiency of diesel engine is about. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज 70%. The thermal efficiency of diesel engine on weak mixture is. The correct option for this question is higher, option number C. The volumetric efficiency of well-designed engine may be? The correct answer for this question is option number D, 75 to 90%. The working medium of a air standard cycle has constant dash throughout the cycle. तो प्रेशर कांस्टेंट नहीं हो सकता, वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट नहीं हो सकता, तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, स्पेसिफिक हीट. Specific heat throughout the cycle should be a constant. This is an assumption. Next question. It is assumed that all the process of air standard cycles are. Option number A, that is a reversible. This is also an assumptions which are made during the air standard cycles. There are some assumptions. First assumption is the all the process in the cycles are reversible. The working medium is an ideal gas. This is second assumption. And third assumption is that specific heat of the working medium should be a constant throughout the cycle. These are some assumptions which are made in the air standard cycles. Keep in mind. Next question is, in a Carnot cycle, the working medium receives heat at which temperature? The option number B, that is at higher temperatures. As we know that the Carnot engines receives the heat at a higher temperatures and reject the heat at a lower temperatures. Next question, in a Carnot cycle, the working fluid is a. The option number B is the correct answer. That is an ideal gas, because we know that the Carnot cycle is an ideal cycle. So working fluid use is the ideal gas. Next question, the isothermal process of a Carnot cycle needs very dash motion of the piston to maintain constant temperature. Option number A, that is slow, because in a Carnot cycle there are two different process. Two are isentropic process and two are isothermal process. Isentropic process are a very fast processes and isothermal process are a very slow process. So the correct answer for this question is option number A, that is a slow. Next question, the adiabatic process of a Carnot cycle needs very dash motion to complete the adiabatic process. The correct answer for this question is the option number B, that is the fast. We know that the adiabatic process or isentropic process are a very fast process. The correct answer is option number B. Last questions, in a Carnot cycle, the working medium reject the heat at a dash temperatures. The correct answer for this question is the option number A, that is a lower temperature.